Yoo-hoo! We will be hunting through 200 euros of 2 euro coins to find some nice commemorative coins and low mintage coins. I've got 4 rolls, they're all from the Netherlands. And to give you an idea for what we are looking for, this is the page for the German commemorative coins. And we are still missing 2 coins, Mecklenburg-Vorpommern and Hamburg, both Mintmark A, and both have a mintage of 1 million only. Roll number 1. Here we go. We can zoom in. And here we go. And we start with Spain, France, Germany, France, Belgium, and all the ones we don't need. Germany, France, Italy. Ooh, and there we go. At least a first commemorative. This is Nordrhein-Westfalen, the Bundesländer series from 2011. Oh, and there we have a dirty Austrian coin. And then Germany, Austrian, Belgium, Germany, Italy. Ooh, and this is German Reunification Day. And of course, it's a German commemorative. Germany, France, and Germany. Second roll. So, there we go. Zoom in and... Oh, what is that? Drank dient der Restaurant. Betal bewusst kontant. They willingly, they want to pay cash. And yes, I support that. Because, yes, but I need to peel the sticker off. What is under the sticker? We need to find out. That was Austria, by the way. We want to know what's under there. I want to keep the sticker as well, but at least I want to have a glimpse what's under the sticker. Greece. But no, we will keep the sticker. This coin with a sticker, I want to keep. That's a keeper. Maybe the find of the day. Germany, Italy, Germany, Germany. Lots of them. And that's a Dutch roll, right? So, Belgium, Germany. Oh, and here we have again. No, this is not the... We found earlier the dome in Cologne, Nordrhein-Westfalen. And now we found the church in Magdeburg, which is the Sachsen Anhalt commemorative Bundesländer series. Germany. Ooh, and it's a shiny one. But it is 2000, 2001, right? I will keep it aside, but I consider keepers Queen Beatrix 2003 to 2013. Germany, Spain. Roll number 3. No amazing find besides the sticker coin. So we will see. Let's move on. And again, it's Greece. And it is it not 2002? What is it? It is map 1. It's 2003? Anyway, I will keep it aside. If it's 2002, it will not be a keeper. But this one I will check and then decide later. Germany, France. And that's all the coins we don't want. Oh, and at least here's a commemorative. And this is the EMU coin. The EMU coin was issued by 16 different countries in 2009. And this version is issued by Germany. No, Republique. Oh no, it's not Germany. It's République Française, right? So that's the French version. Here we have Luxembourg, but 2014 is not a keeper. Germany, Belgium, Germany. This is France, Austria. Shiny one. What is it? Ooh, another Sachsen Anhalt coin. We found it. The Dom in Magdeburg. Ooh, and here we have, and this is one of the coins I'm missing, right? Depending on the mint mark, because I'm missing mint mark A, but there's no way I can see the mint mark, so I will check that later. And here we have, what is it? 1999? Something like that. I will also check that. And here we have the commemorative for Berlin, Bundesländer series from Germany as well. And then 2004, which does not excite me. Germany. Also want to check for later. And Italy. Last roll. So, first coin, Belgium, and we can move in. Zoom in, move in, here we go, Belgium, Germany. And another German Reunification Day coin. Italy, Germany. And at least it's a new country for today, Lithuania, but it's not something special. France, Austria, Belgium, Italy. A commemorative, really high mintage though, from Italy Olympic Games. France, Italy, Austria. This is Slovakia, Germany, Belgium. Germany. Oh, and there's two and one really shiny one, which is Italy 2021 and a very grabby and dirty Bremen Bundesländer series from Germany. This will be my find of the day. Amazing sticker coin. I hope you liked. See you in the next one.